Yes people, and welcome back to AJ Cars. Now today again we are at our second home, Caffeine and Machine. It's a bit of a dull Sunday morning, but there are some really nice cars here. So we've got a special guest as well, Rob Shelton from Alto Drones, who's going to get some sick shots of the cars and a few of us flying by. We hope you guys enjoy.
What's going on, guys? I'm Rob. I'm from Alto Drones. Can't wait to get this shoot on the go now. Really excited for it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
As you've seen from the last video, I've picked up my new car. Stay tuned because there's loads more content coming on the car. I've got some big things planned and lots of things already ordered. But enough talking, let's get into today's video.